How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we are going to be talking about hickeys. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So again, this is a hickey topic. I do these videos. I do certain topics on my channel. Lately, I have been doing 11 different topics and I do lots of workouts on the other topics. But this topic for hickeys, I talk about different ways and different products to get rid of the hickeys, and it's based on what the subscribers are asking me in question form. So ask me a question, I'll answer it, as simple as that. And if you're probably wondering how popular is hickey on my channel, it's one of my top 3 video topics on my whole channel. So I get anywhere from 10 to 20 comments per day about hickeys. Anywho, let's get started. So this subscriber wants to know, and I don't know about this one. Can you use a comb, the bristles, to get rid of a hickey? So you guys know a comb, like you comb your hair, and like the things on the end of it to comb, those are called the bristles, I think. I'm pretty sure they're called the bristles. That's the thing that like combs your hair. Can you use that on a hickey? I mean, you could, but I mean, I don't know how you just get one bristle to rub your neck area, because again, it's just a small area. You don't want a huge like comb and just go like this. Your neck's gonna be super red. It might get rid of the hickey. It probably will get rid of the hickey, but I mean, you're gonna be hitting your whole face. So what I recommend doing is flipping the comb around and using the end of the comb and just rub your neck. Seriously, just do that, and that is way better. That will work to get rid of your hickey. Don't get me wrong though, that's not the best way to do it. The best way to do it, and I say this in all my hickey videos because people want to know the best way. Again, in all my videos for hickeys, I give the subscriber a chance, and then I'll talk about what the subscriber says. But at the end of the video, I say what my way is to get rid of the hickeys, because people want to know the fastest way, and I have the fastest way. It's to use a coin or a spoon. The thing is, the comb, the bristles will work, but the area, you just got a little hickey here. You don't want to use this whole area for comb bristle and start rubbing your neck. Like, I would not do that. Just get a coin, get a spoon, rub the area where the hickey is for 2 minutes. 90% of people, the hickey will be gone. The other 10% do it for 5 minutes straight and it will be gone. 100% guaranteed. Ton of people have been saying that it does work, and I've done it myself. That's how I know it works. But yeah, end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. That's 3 9s. Peace out.